Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pallavi Burman. So first of all everyone a happy Sunday. Make your Sunday a fun day. थोड़ा ठंडा ठंडा लग रहा है so इसलिए शॉल ओढ़ी हूँ and I just wake up and it's like morning 7. अभी तक मेरा गला साफ नहीं हुआ, उठने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है but I have to wake up because I have to go somewhere. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि संडे है, संडे के दिन वीडियो बना रही है तो मैं भी कहीं घूमने जा रही है इसलिए. बट येस आई एम गोइंग समवेयर बट नॉट घूमने. आई एम गोइंग समवेयर टू अटेंड समथिंग. क्या है, किस लिए जा रही हूँ, कहाँ जा रही हूँ, एवरी डिटेल्स आई विल गिव यू इन बिटवीन द वीडियो. क्योंकि टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं जहाँ जा रही हूँ मुझे नॉट ओनली मुझे फ्रॉम आवर डिपार्टमेंट 10 girls are invited and one of them is me and we are going for an installation ceremony from GCI कामरूप मेधावी. मुझे भी इतना अभी तक नहीं पता है इसके बारे में. आई विल डू रिसर्च ऑन इट एंड मुझे वहाँ जाने के बाद ही सब कुछ पता चलेगा. सो मैं आप लोगों को भी बता दूँगी. तो अभी मैं नहाऊंगी, देन ब्रश करूँगी, फ्रेश करूँगी, एवरीथिंग आई विल डू टुगेदर एंड आफ्टर दैट मेकअप करना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा अच्छे से टिप टॉप होके स्मार्ट होके जाना पड़ेगा. सो मिलते हैं आफ्टर गेटिंग फ्रेश अप. सो हम निकल रहे हैं, अभी रूबिया आ गई. एक्चुअली वी आर गेटिंग लेट सो हमें जल्दी जल्दी जाना है. So finally here we are. This is our today's destination, Hotel Taj Vivanta. So here we are entering inside. अंदर जा रहे हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है. And now we are at the main entrance. That two ladies are here to escort us, so they are waiting for us. And यहाँ पे they first scan our bags, purse, whatever we carry with ourselves. First they scan all of that. Also at the first we have checked our temperature, we sanitize our hands ourselves. So here we are in front of the hall where the program is organized. Thank you. The program is yet not started. So आप लोग देख सकते हैं अंदर का माहौल कैसा है. By US team. And also let me tell you all that उन लोगों ने सब यहाँ पे एडवोकेट्स एंड लॉयर्स को इनवाइट किया है.
Today is JCI Kamrup Medhavi. In one line, it is the first and unique chapter in the entire India of female lawyers, which is all about training and developing young female advocates or females interested in advocacy, along with different social activities. Every good work should be started with the name of God. So we request Niharika Saikya to do the Ganesh Bandana.
वक्रतुंड्र
सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ॐ गणपते नमो नमः सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव रत्नाखा चितपारी तुझ गौरी कुर्मा चंदनाची ओटी कुमकुम की शाला हीरे
Bihar Rai to ask her, Rashmi Khatwala ji, past Zone President and Founder President JCI Kahan.
There are very few, 3, 4. You can count on hands, and she is one among them. So, and the struggle she has gone through to reach this position, we can just imagine. Because there are only very few ladies who has become the judge of the Guwahati High Court. Now, our Chief Justices and everybody is at present, everybody is asking that yes, there should be more ladies' participation in the judiciary. But yes, Madam is there to guide us for that.
Now, the Honorable Judge of Guwahati High Court, Srimati Rumi Kumari Fukan Ma'am, will lighting up the diyas as the mark of starting towards the main agenda of today's event. Now the existing member and those who are newly joined to this JCI organization, all the members are taking
serve the
oaths.
purpose of the junior chamber and shall at all times uphold its ideals and principles. Thank you and congratulations. You are now all JC members and you can use the prefix JC before your name. Welcome to the family.
Apart from her immense success in the field of law and taxation, she is engaged in various social activities, and her contribution to the underprivileged and the poor during the lockdown in corona times have been immensely appreciated. She is also working very hard in the upliftment of women in the society. And a glaring example of this is this unique chapter for upliftment of the female lawyers, JCI Kamrup Medhavi. We are all very proud of her.
Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of JCI and will, to the best of my ability, serve as the living example of this organization's philosophy and belief, and will uphold and enforce the constitution and policy of this organization at all times. Congratulations, you are now the Charter President of JCI Kamrup Medhavi. A big round of applause.
You shout all the time. You're showing your advocacy. Ma'am, please keep quiet. So after keeping quiet for, this is my 20th year running in advocacy, and I have already given 20 years in practice. And then I realized whatever I have faced, that is fine. If I get some organization through which I could help out the next generation who is coming up, the young lady lawyers, if I could help them, if I could train them, if I could tell them beforehand that these are the problems that you are going to face, so please be prepared. So then I came to know, because I had gone last year to an award which was given to me as Woman of the Year award this year only, last March. It was Women's Day. I was given an award, and then I came across, I met Rashmi ji and Manish Khatwala ji, who are the force behind this chapter. I am very thankful to both of you. And when they told me about the concept of JCI, I said, oh no, another social organization. I didn't pay much heed to it. And then slowly I realized when I came to know about JCI, how they help people to become better individuals. And if we become better individuals, we can do better in whichever field we are. So then we thought of a concept that we are going to open instead of, though we will be taking up social activities, but then we will be opening a chapter which will consist of lady lawyers and the problems which we are facing, so that we can help them out in that. Because JCI always organizes training programs in every field. For the advocates also, suppose we call advocates which deal in entrepreneurs, so if that person needs any sort of help, then JCI is ready to do that. They help him out in every way. So I have recently seen a person's shop was in a broken condition, and he was unable to, during the lockdown times, he was unable to run his business properly. So a group of JCI people, they took the initiative to renovate that, put in some stuff and supplies in it, and help him run the shop. So in that way, I would like to help out. There are many young advocates coming from the nearby places in the state of Assam. Everyone doesn't stay in Guwahati. So when they come from nearby places, financial disadvantages are there to them. They need a place to stay. They need guidance, which senior they can join, or where do they put up, how do they train themselves. In those things, we will try to help them through this organization. Even those poor litigants, those who want to do their cases, but because of financial crunch, they are unable to do their cases, do their litigations, carry out their litigations. We want to help them out through this organization. So so there are both aspects of JCI. I found it is a very good thing, both developing yourself personally as well as do social work, help the society, because see, we have come here because God gave us a life. We only do not leave it for ourselves. If we can do a little bit for the society at large, if we can bring smile to one face, or we can help out one person, it would be a great thing. So I would like to do this also through this organization. So there are two motives. One, to bring in, let all my young advocates, those who are present here, those who are lady advocates, I can help them out. Through this organization, we want to uplift them, train them, and know how to make your own clients. Always do not follow a senior, go back of a senior, and keep staying back only. And see, I am here for 2-3 years. I'll come and go to the court, then get married, settle down with my kids and husband. Don't do that. Please, if you have come to a profession, do it actively. We are there to help you out through JCI and make your standing. If we do not make, each and every one has to make a presence felt in the court, in the judiciary. Otherwise, things won't happen. Otherwise, the change won't come. If I shout alone, if I say something alone, it doesn't make an effect. But when we will speak through this JCI, when the group speaks, then it does have an effect on the people. So we have to do this through this JCI Kamrup Medhavi. And so then I realized what Manishji was telling, it's a good idea, so I should take up this. And then when we started this, the members who came up, they elected me as the president. I am thankful to all of them that they chose me as their president. And I hope that I really hope that I will be able to do justice to my presidentship. So with these words, I would like to end and not make it too lengthy, but at the same time, I'm really thankful to our past president, JCI, Srimati Rashmi Khatuwala ji, who has been constantly with me in doing this occasion as well as bringing up this chapter. And Manish ji too, anytime.
For inviting me in this beautiful, beautiful occasion. And of course, sharing the dais with a very honorable Rumi ma'am. Of course, Madha is there, Jarifa is there, Neha Jain, Rumi Khatuwala, and everybody is here. And of course, our High Court or more senior, Bahar Baido, Bonosiba, Madhusanda, Koilani Baido, Lokmi Baido, Pompaba, itimodhe গৈছে ইয়াৰ পৰা মই সকলোলৈকে মই মোৰ আন্তৰিক অভিনন্দন আৰু ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো আৰু মহিলা যেতিয়া ফাইটাৰ হয় তেতিয়া সঁচাকে খুব ভাল লাগে আপোনালোকে মোৰ বহুত পৰিচয় ইতিমধ্যে ক'লে হয় মই বহুত লং টাইম প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিছো গুৱাহাটী হাই কোৰ্টত কৰিছো সো ইট ওয়াজ আ ওয়ান্ডাৰফুল জাৰ্নি আৰু মই নিজকে কওঁ যে এডভোকেটটো হৈছে মই মোৰ সঁচা কথা ক'বলৈ গ'লে মোৰ সেই ঘৰখন মোৰ সবতকে বেছি ভাল লাগে যদিও মই ৰাজনীতিৰ লগত পলিটিক্সৰ লগত নাও আই এম ভেৰি মাচ ইনভলভড ইন পলিটিক্স বাট অলৱেজ আই লাভ টু বি ইন দ্য হাই কোৰ্ট অৰ ইন দ্য লোৱাৰ কোৰ্ট মানে মোৰ কোৰ্টখন আচলতে মোৰ খুব প্ৰিয় সেইকাৰণে মোৰ বায়'টো মই এনেকৈ লিখিছোঁ এডভোকেট বাই প্ৰফেশ্যন পলিটিচিয়ান বাই পেশ্যন সেইটো মোৰ বায়' গতিকে থেংক ইউ আপোনালোকৰ মাজত ইয়াত বহুত জুনিয়ৰ এডভোকেট বহি আছে It's really very challenging. I must admit it's really, really challenging. And as in the politics, I feel that I am involved with a party, the central or state government or Sarkar ase, that.
I guess lack of faith and belief in the abilities of women is still rooted in society, and more so in the male's psyche. And we prefer to have their token presence, especially in the higher judiciary, more for the sake of symbol rather than their equal participation. So this is the expression from highest court. Higher judiciary in India paints a boring picture when it comes to equal representation of women in their benches. The constitutional courts are earlier impenetrable for women due to multiple social and educational reasons. However, now with equal access to education, number of women opting for equal profession is showing an upward trend. Even then, as per the recent report, the chronic problem of gender imbalance in higher judiciary, with only 12% of total strength being women, is indeed startling.
Right? और ये zone conference जो होती है, that is the annual conference that happens once a year, where we report on what are the things that we have done, but it is also an opportunity कि आप वहाँ पे हमारे जोन के बाकी सारे JC members को मिल सकेंगे, उनसे जान पहचान बढ़ा सकेंगे, and अगर सही मायने में मैं कहूँ as new JC members, JCI क्या है ये आप लोगों को समझने का फर्स्ट हैंड मौका मिलेगा. Therefore, don't miss this opportunity. 13th and 14th November को गुवाहाटी में ही अस्परा बैंक्वेट हॉल में ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया जा रहा है. And this is going to be 2 very happening days in your lives, I can tell you. एक जोन कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड करने के बाद हर साल आप लोग खुद ब खुद जोन कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड करना चाहोगे, इतना अश्योरेंस मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ. So don't miss this opportunity because you will get a chance to meet so many JCs from across all the 7 states of Northeast India, right? And there are a lot of competitions, programs which are being organized during the ZoneCon. ZoneCon में हम अपनी रिपोर्ट तो करेंगे ही, but उसके अलावा भी speech contest, Mr. and Mrs. ZoneCon, and there are so many other contests which the Zone Conference Director will tell you about, which is being organized there. So you can participate in those contests and from the very beginning become actively involved with JCI. It is an opportunity, इसको छोड़िएगा मत. JCI से जुड़े ही हैं, तो इसको सीखना, इसको जानना बहुत जरूरी है. And this is one great moment which happens once a year. Don't miss it. Right? Thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to meeting most members, all members of JCI Kamrup Medhavi at the ZoneCon. Yes, Medha ji, please. Absolutely. Please motivate your members, register, and we will all meet there once more next week. Yes.
So the program is over और अब हम आए हैं लंच करने के लिए. तो देखते हैं क्या क्या खाना है, क्या क्या आइटम्स है. लेट्स सी. वैसे तो बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है, तो मैंने पहले ही पेस्ट्री और मिठाई ले लिया. एंड देख सकते हैं मैंने अपना प्लेट ले लिया एंड मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लिया. आई जस्ट कीप इट सिंपल, जस्ट 2 करी, सलाद, स्वीट्स एंड फ्राइड राइस. सब खा रहे हैं. चलो मैं भी स्टार्ट करती हूँ खाना. And we are done with our lunch. So the program is over and we are about to leave.
ঘুর না ফেলে পল্লবী.
Photo session going on. Say hi. तो हम बाहर आ गए एंड अब हम चलेंगे. मैंने सोचा था कि प्रोग्राम का बारे में मैं आप लोगों को इसी वीडियो में यहाँ पर ही बता दूँगी, बट दिस प्लेस इज़ टू नॉइसी. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, तो इसलिए मैं इसके बारे में रूम पे जाके आपको डिटेल्स में बताऊँगी. टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग. सो बेसिकली JCI मीन्स जूनियर चैम्बर इंटरनेशनल. ये सब इंडिया में या गुवाहाटी में ही नहीं, ये ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, ये एक नेशन वाइड, वर्ल्ड वाइड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो कि यूनियन टेरिटरी के साथ भी कुछ लिंक्ड अप है. दैट्स वाई दे हैड अलाउड दिस JCI टू यूज देयर लोगो इन देयर बैनर्स. तो मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने नहीं जाऊंगी. जो मैंने आज का प्रोग्राम देख के मैंने आई एम शेयरिंग माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस, वट एवर आई विटनेस टूडे. मुझे जो समझ में आया, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट ओनली. ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दूसरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के जैसे ही सोशल एक्टिविटीज ये सब करते हैं, लाइक हेल्पिंग पुअर्स एंड ऑल, बट ये लोग हर कैटेगरी को एक चैप्टर वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके करते हैं. तो दे हैड ऑलरेडी लॉन्च सो मेनी चैप्टर्स. तो आज का जो चैप्टर था वो था JCI कामरूप मेधावी. आज का चैप्टर उन लोगों ने जो लॉन्च किया वो स्पेशली फॉर द यंग एडवोकेट्स, यंग फीमेल एडवोकेट्स, फीमेल लॉयर्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी. So it is basically to uplift the female lawyers and advocates of our society. ये हम लोगों को help करेगी. They will provide us a better opportunity to do internship under a good senior advocates. Then in so many other ways also. जो और एक चीज मैंने आज सुना जो मैंने सोचा नहीं था, but today I came to know from Ma'am Medha Loli Gopi. She is today newly elected for the JCI Charter President. उन्हें आज JCI का Charter President के हिसाब से सम्मानित किया गया. तो उन्होंने एक बात बोला कि जैसे कि other professions, in this profession, in law profession also, यहाँ पे भी अभी भी injustice, inequality still exist between like gender inequality, male and female advocates के बीच में भी they like it's still the inequality exists. So to balance up that gender equality in this law profession between the lawyers, between the advocates, they launched this new chapter which is called JCI कामरूप मेधावी. तो उसी के बारे में आज प्रोग्राम था टू अवेयर अस अबाउट दिस. एंड ऑल्सो ये एक इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोग्राम था जहाँ पे मैम मेधा लोली गोपी को जो न्यूली चार्टर प्रेसिडेंट के हिसाब से इलेक्ट किया गया था, उनको वो एज यू कैन से इट्स लाइक ओथ टेकिंग सेरेमनी. तो दिस इज इट ऑल अबाउट टुडेज प्रोग्राम. आई होप कि मैं आप लोगों को समझा सकी हूँ. जो भी मैंने समझा, आई जस्ट ट्राई टू लाइक डिलीवर दैट टू यू ऑल. सो आई होप कि आप लोगों को मेरा आज का वीडियो देख के अच्छा लगेगा. प्लीज डू सपोर्टिंग मी, कीप सपोर्टिंग मी, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. And those who are already my subscribers, a big thank you to all of you. Thank you for watching. Good night.